Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best flat-top cast iron grill on the market, the Cast Iron Reversible Grill, Griddle set by HeroFiber. If you love cooking on a versatile surface that delivers both grilling and griddling options, this might just be your new go-to cooking tool. Right out of the box, this griddle set stands out for its impressive pre-seasoned non-stick surface. The 16.75 by 9.5 inch surface is big enough for all your indoor and outdoor cooking needs. Whether you're whipping up pancakes on the griddle side or grilling burgers and steaks on the other. Plus, it comes with a cast iron press, a pan scraper, and pinch mitts, offering everything you need for a seamless cooking experience. Crafted from durable cast iron, this griddle ensures even heat distribution and superior heat retention, making every meal you prepare just the way you like it. Whether you're cooking on a gas stove, grilling outdoors, or even enjoying a camping trip with a campfire, this versatile griddle is up for any challenge. Its pre-seasoning with natural vegetable oil makes it not only easy to use but also easy to clean. The non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. What makes this product stand out is its adaptability. You can use it for a variety of cooking techniques. From grilling steaks to making breakfast eggs and bacon, or even flipping tortillas over the fire when you're out camping. It's the kind of kitchen accessory that performs well in any setting. One of the biggest draws of this griddle is its perfect fit for multiple cooking environments. It works seamlessly on gas stoves, grills, and campfires, making it the ideal tool for those who like to take their cooking outdoors or those who want a solid griddle for their everyday indoor cooking. The cast iron construction is built to last, giving you a reliable piece of cookware that will stand up to years of use. This griddle is as tough as it is efficient. It ensures that every meal cooked on it benefits from consistent heat and delicious flavor. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or making a hearty meal for your family indoors, this griddle set will make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. So, if you're in the market for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-use griddle, the Cast Iron Reversible Griddle set by HeroFiber is the ultimate choice. It's the best flat-top cast iron grill to suit all your cooking needs, both indoors and out. Make sure to check it out, and thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.